Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce 9-inch IPS touchscreen special head unit for Hyundai Veloster 2011 to 2017 years. Okay, let me unbox review. This is latest and Android 10 system. Hyundai Veloster. This cable. Okay, let me introduce funny set first. You can check this special harness and canvas box. Hyundai Veloster. This canvas box. Okay, this video camera. You can check this camera input. Okay. And this AUX input. With AUX input left and right. Left and right. Okay. This GPS antenna. And this is camera in cable. Camera in back connect back overhead unit. And there are two USB cable and the external microphone. This is original USB. And this is radio antenna. This is AUX left and right and video input RCA type. Okay, this is audio cable. This is subwoofer. This is real AUX output, left and right, front and rear. Okay. Okay. This head unit. Let me connect the cable on back of head unit. Power 12 voltage. Okay, let me show the back of head unit. You can check. It's 12 voltage. And this power cable fuse is GPS. This radio port, this Wi-Fi antenna, this connection. Okay, let me connect the back of the unit. The head unit will be start. Okay, you can check this 9-inch API touch screen. It's built-in microphone and receptacle. Its left corner is home screen. Please take out this screen protector before using. Okay. You can adjust the brightness. It's Wi-Fi Bluetooth amplifier, clear memory. It's volume. Very fast response. Let me check the settings. You can check this DSP, Bluetooth, and Facebook, easy connection, Google Maps, and the Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. Settings, the link for Android and Apple CarPlay, YouTube. Okay. Settings, you can check the about settings. It's PX6 hardware. Okay. And Android 10 system. Okay. It's built-in Wi-Fi and hotspot from your phone. It's mobile network 4G, but need a USB dongle. Storage 64 GB storage. This is the link for wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, the link app. Okay, so that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.